Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the physical connection. Check the slot for debris and verify card orientation. Power down, insert a tested SD card, then power up to observe detection. If the slot is internal, make sure you have your administrative password and a screwdriver ready to open the service hatch. Once done, don't wait. Open Device Manager or System Settings immediately to see if the controller appears, because that tells you if the issue is hardware or software. Next, you focus on drivers and services. Open Device Manager and look for SD host controller or unknown devices. Right-click to update or uninstall, then scan for hardware changes. If automatic updates fail, download the OEM card reader driver and install it manually, because specific vendor drivers often fix quirks. Make sure Plug and Play and Windows Update services are running, enable them and reboot. Once done, check File Explorer for the new removable drive letter and confirm read/write access with a small file copy. To finish, verify the card truly works. Copy files to and from the card, then safely eject using the system command. If the card still doesn't appear, plug it into a USB SD adapter. If that works, the internal slot likely needs repair. Make sure BIOS or UEFI recognizes the card reader, and if available, reset BIOS defaults or apply a firmware update. One troubleshooting tip: if intermittent detection occurs, test with another card and update chipset drivers. This isolates faulty cards versus failing host controllers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.